Hey everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to hide last scene on Botim. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to hide last scene on Botim. It is because you're somebody who doesn't prefer anybody to know when you were last online and when you were last using the app because you think it is against your privacy, or maybe there's any other reason for you, so you're just looking to hide your last scene on Botim. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. The first thing that you have to do is you have to make sure that you have already installed the app from Google Play Store or App Store, and if you have not installed it Botim, then you can still install it. And once it get installed, make sure you have already created your account on it and right now logged in with that account. So just simply tap on the icon of the Botim to open the app. Once the app gets open, you will see its interface. This is how the Botim app looks. We have options all over the screen. Right now we are in the chat section, and this is the calls, and this is explore, and like that we have other different options. But here what we have to do is we just have to simply click on this last option, this one, which is me. You just have to simply tap on it and that option will open. And once that option gets open, you will see other options. All these options are here for some stuff. Therefore, what we have to do is we have to click on this first option, which is account. You just have to simply tap on it, and there you will see at the top it is written account, and we have different options. From all these four options, now you just have to simply select the third option, which is privacy. So just simply tap on this option. Once you get into the settings of the privacy, there you will see different options. Here we have the first option which says last seen, and this is the option that we are here to change. Right now it is set on everyone. That means that anyone could see it. So just simply click on it and then you will see three options. So if you have selected the first option, then anybody who is on emo could see your last scene. If you have selected the second option, which is my contacts, then only those people who are in your contact list could see it. And if you have selected the last option, then no one can see your status. So you can choose any one of these options. Whatever prefers you, you just have to simply click on it and that option will be selected and your last scene will work according to it. Here I have just clicked on my contacts. At the bottom it also indicates that it is updated. That means our last scene has been updated to our selected option. So you can choose any one of these options and your last scene will work according to it. It would be better if you set your last scene on my contacts or nobody, because through this option you could keep your privacy by not letting any random person to know about your last scene. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can edit your last scene on Botim app. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.